Welcome to the game tutorial of the L.O.O.P in Academy mode. In L.O.O.P, which is an acronym of Life of Ordinary People, players are challenged to reach maximum happiness before depletion occurs, while balancing different aspects of the material life. We will now go through this quick start guide together, which shows all the actions that you can do in the game. In each turn, there are 3 stages and you must follow the order. Stage 1. Material Life. You must do one and only one of these 3 options: work, buy, or consume. If you choose to work, take 4 coins from the society as your salary. If you choose to buy, you are going to pay 1 to 4 coins for each material. The coins you paid will determine its quality, which is indicated by the dots on the top. In a single turn, you can buy up to 3 materials. If you choose to consume, you are spending the quality of your materials to complete these activities. Each activity calls for 2 separate color-matching materials, which is indicated by these 2 color bars. To complete an activity, reduce 1 quality from each consumed material like this. If the quality reduces to 0, that material is now broken and you have to move it to the landfill. In a single turn, you can complete up to 3 activities. These white cards in your hand are called favors. You can use as many as you like any time during your turn. Playing favors allows you to obtain materials from other places. After you played a favor, that favor will be transferred to the hand of your target player, which he can play later on. A player may also choose to reject a favor by discarding a same favor from his hand. The effect is cancelled out and both cards will go to the discard pile. Remember, in Stage 1 you can only choose to either work or buy or consume, but may play unlimited favors. Moving on to Stage 2, Updating Happiness, which corresponds to your option in Stage 1. If you chose work, you lose 1 happiness because working is stressful. If you chose buy, you gain 1 happiness, regardless of how many materials you have bought, because shopping can be fun. If you chose consume, you gain 1 happiness per each completed activity in this turn. The more enjoyable activities you have done, the happier you are. These black cards in your hand are your personal goals. If you have achieved certain goals by meeting their requirements, you can place them face up next to your career card anytime during your turn, then add the extra happiness now as indicated. A same activity can only be double counted for different kinds of goals, but not the same kind. Here comes the final stage, Stage 3, Replenishing Supply. Restore society by flipping over new cards. If you now have less than 3 favors in hand, you can draw 1 and only 1 new favor. There is no hand limit, so no need to discard. Your turn has ended and now goes to the player on your left. The game will continue turn by turn, and it will end immediately when either A. Any player has reached and sustained at maximum happiness for 2 consecutive turns, or B. The depletion card is surfaced in spite of the remaining materials left in the society. Player or players who reach maximum happiness win. To set up the game in Academy mode, remove these components from game for different numbers of players. Now distribute to each player 5 goals, 3 favors, 2 random materials with quality 1, and 2 coins. You will be using the intern side of the career card and place the marker on this happiness to start with. Next, set up society with the remaining cards as shown here. Remember to place the depletion card at the bottom of the material pile. The player with the most expensive outfit will start first. Well, these are all the rules of the L.O.O.P in Academy mode. Now, do you think you have what it takes to break the L.O.O.P?